change is mostly towards being positive. So I think a huge transformation happened in the last couple of years about where we want to direct our lives. Emotionally, I think we were at a place where, between 2020 and 2022 or 2021, I think a lot of us had to say that we've lost something. Right? Is there anybody here who can tell me that I absolutely did not lose anyone or anything in 2020 or 2021? Anyone? Absolutely nothing. Like nobody that I know, nothing that I know of, I didn't lose anything in 2021. So when your silence accounts that you have lost something, when you lose something and when you get down to the bottom, that's when you realize it's time to change.